Hi everyone, welcome to Espaço 84, and we are automotive photographers and we are in a photo shoot with this. It's wrapped pink and it's beautiful. Prior to this color it was purple. It was also really nice. So one thing that you guys can do, it's like, imagine if you guys don't have well, in this case you do have, but the car is not close by any green, like plants or something, you can always take a little branch and you can put it like in front of the camera, and look, as you can see, it stays like this. Like, you have to be creative and think out of the box and create your own environment. You can create the frame, if you don't have the frame, you can always create it. Like, you can put it closer or farther. It depends of the framing that you want. You can always take more than one photo and then see which one you like the most. Since the cars were passing all the time, we are now close by, and this location is also really nice. So let's start. This is why I like to take pictures at this time, because the lights, like the blue hour, it's just beautiful for the cars. Also the golden hour, obviously the best hours to shoot. But since this car it's pink, it makes sense to me to get blue lights, like, since the spectrum of this color, it's more into the blue hour kind of light. It works so well. It works really well. Okay, let's do the close-ups. Close-ups. One thing that I want to reinforce is, like, if you only have your cell phone to take pictures, then just start with your phone. Don't be waiting for the best moment or the best gear to have that R3 or R1 Canon or Sony, like, just start creating and go from there. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Like, I don't have the perfect gear, I don't even have the best lens at all for this kind of job for now, but like, I'm doing it and I believe my pictures are really good, actually. I believe in my work. I believe that I can do what I like the best job ever, even if I don't have the best gear ever, and I'm not afraid that people, like, they are gonna say, oh, but you don't have the right gear and like, so I'm not going to work with you. Like, it's whatever. Like, my work speaks louder than my gear, you know what I mean? At least I have a camera. There's people that they don't even have a phone and they wish that they could start something. So that's my advice for you. Just don't give up because you don't have something. Ask to someone to lend you a camera or to lend you a phone, like someone that you trust or that trusts you, and just start creating. Okay, right here. Okay, so now we already took some general photos, some more like general ones. Now we are starting going to the details, some lines as well. Oh, this chrome, I really like chromes in the cars because it just gives an extra bling sense, Okay, let me sit over here into like a ground. Let's do a ground shot. Let's see if I don't forget anything. I have here to be more creative. So, because I want to use framing as well, you know, I need to frame the photo with the environment that I have next to me. I'm gonna use the trees, because trees are really nice for framing. You see the tree over here, so I can use it as a frame. Also, in the front part looks really nice. It's good when you're taking pictures of the seats to use a little bit of framing with the door. It's always beautiful, always nice. It gives like a good composition. So always remember to take a photo like straight back, straight in front, and then 3/4 like this, and the 4 sides of the car. After I do this, that I call the warm-up, what I do is I start looking into the details, like the wheels, all those kind of things. After I do like more into like framing, and I'm gonna do it a little bit more, and I try to see the environment around me to try to see how I can do good framing, and then I do the inside and I wrap up. Okay, so I don't want to take long. I want to take my time, but I don't want to abuse in time with the clients, so they can go and do their things. Okay, so we are wrapping up the photo shoot of this car, and it was really nice. The car is perfect. I really enjoyed this car and taking pictures of it. And now I'm here with the client, and she's sharing a little bit of her testimony. She's gonna speak in Portuguese.
Então, malta, estou aqui com o Espaço 84. Eles vieram tirar umas fotos ao meu carro, tiram fotografias assim, carros, motas, e foi uma boa experiência. As fotos que vi estavam muito, muito bonitas, e agora é ficarem atentos para verem o resultado, que acredito que vai ficar mesmo muito, muito fixe.
Thank you. And would you recommend this photo shoot to a friend or someone that
Sim,
you...
100%.
Okay, so thank you so much for you know, to accept this challenge. I know that the photo shoot was really early. It was. I really wanted to get the road for us, because it's a really busy road, because it's next to the beach. So that's why. But we don't do photo shoots only in 5 a.m. We do photo shoots anytime. So we always try to get the best light, to get the best results, and to elevate the image of your vehicle. So yeah, that's why. And thank you so much once more. Oh, by the way, follow her in our Instagram, and also on our YouTube. Subscribe to her channel. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Bye.
Bye.